What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my trading mindset. Let me see if I can place this order real quick. Trying to. There it goes. So it says it went to a working order. Let's hope it executes and turns into a open position. Still got 3 minutes 20 seconds, so I believe it'll fill. Usually it bounces back up quite a few times. There we go, got a nice little bounce there. There we go. Alright, we got a open contract, and it's supposed to be right here, 1833. Oh, right there at that line, the yellow line. Something's up with this. Give me a second. Oh, there it goes. That green one right there. 18330. So it needs to stay below that green line right there. So I don't know what's going on with that yellow line. It doesn't change, but alright, I'm gonna mute real quick. I'll be right back. Wow, look at that. It just jumped up so high. If I was to get into it right now, I would have got into it probably like at $90 per contract, which would have made me a lot more money. But hey, sometimes you get in early, sometimes you get in at the perfect point, so I'm just happy I got in. So it needs to just close below that green line. 3 contracts at $32, which will give me a profit of $90 cash in less than 2 minutes, I guess. But let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty confident it's going to close below that line. So 52 seconds. Because my lower indicators are showing overbought, so this would give me a little. There we go. Yeah, there we go. See? I knew it. 26 seconds. $19. And it's well below it, as you can see. This is my candle. Dang, there we go. Alright, well, we have another win. Jumped up to 408. It was a good trade. I should have gotten in a little bit later after it passed that green line, but sometimes you don't know. You know, it just might stop at that green line whenever you already have that indicator on. So, alright guys, if you want to trade like me, visit MYTRADINGMINDSET.com, or feel free to send me a message on this YouTube channel or whatnot. So like and subscribe if you want to see future content. So there you have it, guys. Have a good one.